Alright, so here we are. I'm doing practice assignment 9, part 3, number 5, and I'm sitting in here with my 6th period class, which is my advanced class. Everyone say hey. Alright. Alright, very good. Got a smart group in here, and they're going to help me do number 5. Alright, so now, here's my first question to you guys. Raise your hand. I need someone to raise their hand and tell me which is going to be the easiest variable to eliminate, either the x or the y. What do you think, Ben? X, that's right. So, if I know that this is a positive 3x, I'm going to try to get the opposite of that. So I'm going to modify this first equation in such a way where I get a negative 3x. Someone raise their hand and tell me, what am I going to have to multiply that equation by in order to get a negative 3x? Let's go with Daniel. Negative 3 is correct. So the way I'm going to write this is I'm going to do distribution property, but instead of writing it below it, I'm going to write it way down here because I don't have a whole lot of room right here. So a negative 3 times x is a negative 3x. A negative 3 times a positive 4y is going to be, what do you think, Andy? Yes, a negative 12y. And then a negative 3 times a negative 15 is, what do you think, Elise? Yes, positive 45. Great job. And I'm going to combine these two equations. So whenever I combine them, I have a negative 3x and a positive 3x. They cancel out. Okay? They're opposites. That's what I was trying to do. Let's go with Rachel. Rachel T. A negative 12y and a positive 3y. What does that equal? Yes, negative 9y, very good, equals 45. Let's go with other Rachel. Rachel D. How am I going to finish this problem out? Awesome, very smart. So we divide both sides by negative 9, and we've got y equals, what do you think, Blake? Equals negative 5. You're right, good job. Alright, so now I know y equals negative 5. What am I going to do next, Mason? Which equation you want me to use, first or second? Yep, I would use the first one also. It's got smaller numbers. All right. Not that Mason can't. He doesn't do well with larger numbers. It's just easier on everyone. So here we go. Negative 5. I'm going to sub that in for y, and whenever I do that, my equation's going to look like this: x plus 4 times y equals negative 15. In for y, I'm going to put a negative 5. We have 4 times negative 5 is going to equal, class? Negative 20. Good job. Equals negative 15. What do you think, Thad? What's the last thing I have to do here? Thad! What do you think's the next thing I'm going to do here? Yeah, he's got it. I add 20 to both sides. And I'm left with x equals a positive what? Yes. So my answer in coordinate pair format is x is 5, y is negative 5.